Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most disturbing chapters in true crime history, the dark legacy of Ed Gein. But instead of focusing on his crimes, we're answering one question that continues to fascinate people. What happened to the furniture and household items he made from human remains? Let's break it all down. When investigators entered Ed Gein's farmhouse in Plainfield, Wisconsin, in 1957, they found a scene straight out of a nightmare. Inside were chairs upholstered with human skin, lampshades made from faces, skulls turned into bowls, and even masks fashioned from preserved heads. These gruesome creations weren't just props, they were real furniture and decorations made from his victims. The discovery shocked the world and became one of the most infamous crime scenes in American history. After Ed Gein's arrest, police cataloged every horrifying item as evidence. Once his trial concluded, most of the objects were destroyed. Authorities believed that keeping such disturbing artifacts served no purpose beyond sensationalism. Out of respect for the victims and their families, and because the items were made of human remains, nearly everything was either burned, buried, or dismantled. Where are any remaining items now? Today, very little remains from Gein's house. Some crime scene photographs, official reports, and a few smaller artifacts were preserved in law enforcement archives and private collections. The farmhouse itself was later burned down, erasing the physical reminder of his horrific acts. However, a few small items and documents connected to the case are occasionally displayed in private or specialized museums dedicated to crime history. But not the original furniture itself. Ed Gein's furniture, once real and terrifying, no longer exists. Most of it was destroyed decades ago, leaving behind only photos, reports, and stories that remind the world of the horrors found inside his home. His case became the inspiration for countless horror films, but the actual artifacts, thankfully, are gone for good.